In today's video from Casio Help, we're going to show you how to clear an unresolvable error message on the SES3000 machine. So you've got an error message on the display that you don't know what it means and you can't get rid of it. Whatever mode you turn it to, you still get this error turn up. When you try and log in and use the machine, nothing happens. When you press any of the buttons, the error message just stays there. So the only way around this is to do what's called a flag clear or an initial clear. To do this on this machine, key to off, press and hold down receipt feed, turn the key to PGM, release the feed button, then press subtotal, and the till will perform the initial reset. You won't lose any programming, but it will clear the lockup that's occurred on the machine. It's returned you to the PGM mode, so you can now, if you wanted to do some programming you could, or you could turn the key back round to reg and carry on using as before. For more information on using the SES3000 and other Casio cash registers, visit casiohelp.co.uk and or subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.